Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fried deviled eggs. First, you'll need to hard-boil 6 large eggs. Once cooked, cool them completely in an ice bath to stop the cooking process and make them easier to peel. After peeling, carefully slice each egg in half lengthwise. Gently remove the yolks and set the whites aside. These will be prepared for frying later. This initial step is crucial for a perfect deviled egg base. Now, let's get those egg whites ready for their crispy transformation. Set up a dredging station with 3 shallow dishes, one with all-purpose flour, one with a seasoned egg wash, and one with panko breadcrumbs. Carefully coat each egg white half, first in flour, then the egg wash, and finally the breadcrumbs, ensuring full coverage. Fry these coated whites in oil heated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. This step adds an incredible texture. With our crispy egg white shells ready, it's time to create the rich, creamy filling. Take your reserved egg yolks and mash them thoroughly in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and 1/2 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Mix everything until it's smooth and well combined. Finally, season your filling with salt, black pepper, and a pinch of paprika to taste, ensuring a balanced and flavorful profile. This filling is the heart of your deviled eggs. The final step is assembly. Carefully pipe or spoon your creamy yolk mixture back into the crispy, fried egg white halves. You can use a piping bag for a fancy presentation or simply a small spoon for a rustic look. Garnish your finished fried deviled eggs with a sprinkle of fresh chives or a dash of paprika for color and extra flavor. These are perfect for any gathering. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.